Hey guys! Oh, I just hit myself in the face. Hey guys, what's up? It's Cassie and I'm back with another video. Today I wanted to do a quick video about how to improve your YouTube videos. So whatever you're making YouTube videos about, hopefully this will help you. I obviously am new to YouTube and I've made a lot of mistakes in my videos. Some are super long, some are terrible quality, some of them are just plain embarrassing. But I just wanted to share what I've learned with you guys in the short amount of time that I have been doing YouTube. Every video that you make, I feel like you learn more and you get better. So it's all a process of growing. Allow yourself to put out videos that, you know, maybe aren't the best. Like, you don't have to put out amazing quality videos right away. But I would suggest, first of all, that you find somebody who puts out similar content to what you want to do and kind of try to follow the format of what they do. So when I first started making videos, I found Katy Jopling, who is an artist here on YouTube, and I really like the style of her videos. And I found that something that she did was she made it an experience. So she had like a bit of like cinematography in her videos, and at the very beginning she would show like her paintbrushes or like her cup of coffee in the morning or what it looked like outside. Make your video an experience that you feel like your viewer would enjoy watching or feeling like they're a part of. Limit the amount of talking. People don't want to sit and watch you talk for straight 10 minutes, although that might be what this video is. So sorry for the hypocritical advice. Keep your video under like 10 minutes, preferably under 5 minutes. People really only watch like 2 minutes of your content and they're gonna skip through anyways. Also, cut out the unnecessary stuff. So anything where you're just like sitting talking like this and it's not important, just cut it out. Include different perspectives, different angles. Maybe I should like stop this right now and like come to you from a different angle. See guys, I was here and now I'm here. Use music that fits the vibe of what it is that you are creating. So you don't want to overclutter a thumbnail. Keep it nice and neat and simple so that people know what it is that they're going to be watching when they click on your video. So those are my tips. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Sorry that this was just me sitting and talking, but I think that a lot of people are looking for help like this. I know that I was when I first started. So this has just been a quick little video, and I'll get back to you guys soon with another art video sometime, probably this week. See you guys in my next video. It's like I feel it for the first time.